Hey everybody, dinner tonight I'm going to make a hibachi chicken in the Instant Pot. A half a cup of water, a half a cup low sodium soy sauce, or I like cocoa aminos, it's a better choice. So I am doubling this recipe like always because I want enough for tomorrow for lunch. That way I don't have to cook lunch also. So a half a cup of soy sauce or cocoa aminos, 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, ground garlic, or ginger, I mean not garlic. I'm just gonna shake a couple shakes in there. I have a little bit of garlic left over that I'm gonna use because I'm not buying this stuff anymore because it has not good ingredients in it. 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey or maple syrup as a sweetener, whatever sweetener you want. I'm going to use honey. It's a little bit of a healthier choice. And a little bit of pepper. So just stir that up inside. So now my sauce in there, I cut up 3 chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces, and I'm going to pour that all in. I'm also going to add 1 onion that I cut up. Now I chopped up broccoli and zucchini and mushrooms. I'm gonna add the broccoli in, but I'm not going to add in the zucchini or the mushrooms yet because they will be mushy. So once this is done cooking, I'm gonna add these in and steam them. Stir it all in. I'm going to add my lid on. I'm going to set it to sealing, and I'm going to set the time for 5 minutes. All right, I just let all the steam out of the Instant Pot. I'm gonna open it up. And at this point, I wanna thicken up this sauce. While it's still hot in there, I'm going to add in my mushrooms and my zucchini, and it's gonna kind of steam it while I thicken up the sauce because the sauce is still quite runny. So I'm going to get cornstarch and water. So I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water, and it's called a slurry. I'm going to set my Instant Pot on saute. It's going to come up to like a boil, and then I'm going to add this to thicken up the sauce. I'm also going to make a side of like brown rice to go over this, and then I'll make some yum yum sauce. You can't have hibachi without yum yum sauce. It is definitely not healthy, but it is definitely good. Starting to bubble up. I'm going to add in the cornstarch, and this is going to thicken it right up. Alright, so now you can see our sauce is more of a thick sauce. Now I'm going to make the yum yum sauce. Alright, for the yum yum sauce, I melted 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. Like I said, this is nowhere near diet food. But I haven't eaten this in probably a year, and I was like, man, yum yum sauce would be so good. So, this is where we're at. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. That's about a teaspoon. I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika. I also don't have any tomato paste right now, so I'm going to use ketchup, about 1 teaspoon of ketchup, and I'm going to stir it up. Now, if you don't like it thick, you can, oh no. Oh, my poor Tupperware measuring spoon broke. That's kind of sad. Alright, so like I was saying, if you don't want this super thick, you can water it down a little bit. Just add a little bit of water. I like this thickness. So, there is yum yum sauce. And it's definitely yum yum. Good every once in a while.